prepared, the watchword for all of us. On the Treasure Coast, the message of preparedness also being shared, and WPTV's Joel Lopez went to St. Lucie County, where folks are making sure the storm season doesn't catch them by surprise, and they have an added incentive to do so.
The message is to prepare now, whether it's through the sales tax holiday statewide or through the Safety Expo this weekend in the Treasure Coast. There's plenty of opportunities for you to be prepared this season. Day one of the 2022 hurricane season comes with an added reminder.
I get a little excited and anxious sometimes because, sometimes we get notified at the very last minute and, you got to be ready like that.
We are already tracking the tropics this season, and for St. Lucie residents like Jaden Valine,
here we go. New nuts and bolts.
He's shopping for safety supplies to storm-proof his home.
I have family, friends, and in my neighborhood, sometimes we even help put up other people's shutters.
At Rocky's Ace Hardware, staff ordered large amounts of hurricane supplies to be prepared for the rush of customers during the tax-free holiday.
Thank you for calling Rocky's Ace Hardware. This is George. How can I help you? It's about being proactive instead of reactive. It's making sure that you have those items while they're available, because they're not going to be available later.
Shoppers can buy things like radios, even batteries and flashlights, all tax-free until Saturday, in order to be prepared for any storm before it's on the radar.
We're poised to have a more active than usual season because of the El Nino, La Nina patterns out in the Pacific Ocean, which kind of set us up for a busier storm season this year.
Port St. Lucie officials say more than 20,000 people have moved into the city, and they're hosting a free hurricane expo with safety experts this Saturday to make sure no one's caught by surprise.
We specifically want those residents that have no experience with storms to be ready. We don't want to think about gloom and doom all the time, but we definitely don't want to not prepare for a storm.
The expo gets underway at 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, and as for the sales tax holiday, that goes through June 10th. Reporting in Port St. Lucie, Joel Lopez, WPTV, News Channel 5.